Thank you for tuning in and welcome to Errant painting. Today I'm going to paint up some tiny little Nurglings, or rather big bases full of Nurglings actually. And so you can see what I'm doing. I mounted one on a painting handle, but I have another 5 sitting on a paint stick that I will be painting in a similar fashion. And the first thing I want to do is I want to take some Athonian Camoshade, give it a good shake, and use it straight out of the pot to cover the entire model. With the first coat of wash dried, I'm going to take some Seraphim Sepia, and this is to pick out a few Nurglings on each base. I'm also going to use a smaller brush. This is a medium glaze brush from Citadel. And then, yeah, it's just a matter of picking out random Nurglings and paint them sepia. And again, I'm using this straight out of the pot. Next, I'll give the Nurglings that didn't get the Sepia treatment another coat of Athonian Camoshade. Next, I'm gonna take some Zandri Dust, and this is for the base. And the reason I painted in the base at this stage is that I want to shade it when I shade the horns in a moment. Get some out on the pallet. So I'll let this dry and give it another coat. Right, I've given the base the second coat of Zandri Dust and also a coat of Agrax Earthshade using a large, medium shade brush. I don't know, I somehow forgot to press record before adding the shade to the base, but it was pretty straightforward. I'll now switch to a much smaller brush, a medium layer brush, and paint in all the little horns, also using Agrax Earthshade. I want the color on the horns to be a bit stronger, so I'll give them another coat of Agrax Earthshade, but this time I'm gonna focus on the outer half. And while that is drying, I'm gonna grab some Terminatus Stone, and this is just for the sand on the base. Next, I'm gonna take some Nurgling Green for the green Nurglings, and some Krieg Khaki for the Sepia Nurglings, and this will just be a quick and dirty highlight. And I'm gonna water these paints down quite a bit. Starting with the Nurgling Green. And then, for the Krieg Khaki. Next, I'm going to take some Carroburg Crimson and give it a good shake. And this is for their tongues, any exposed guts, and tears in their flesh. And I'm going to give this 2 coats, and I'm using a very small brush. And a second coat to build up the color. Now, I'm gonna take some orange brown from Vallejo, get it all up on the palette, thin it down, just a bit. And this is for all the blisters, or boils, or what you want to call them. There are quite a few, so I take my time, just working my way around. After that, I'll take some Flash Gitz Yellow, and this is to make small spots inside the blisters. And I'm not too worried about not getting all of them, but most of them. Now, some Ushabti Bone, and this is for the teeth. And these can be really hard to get to. Now, some Pallid rich flesh, and this is for the eyes. Next up, I'm gonna take some Seraphim Sepia and wash the eye and the teeth. Eyes and the teeth. And I'm using this straight out of the pot. So, once this wash is dry, I'm gonna paint the rim of the base with Dryad Bark and give them a coat of matte varnish. The final thing we're going to do is take some blood for the blood god and some Nurgles Rot, and this is respectively for all the pustules, or what do you call them, all the little orangey dots, and for the open wounds. Starting with blood for the blood god, and I'm using this straight out of the pot. If I can get the pot to stay open. There we go. And with both of these effects, it's important not to overdo them. There we go. And now, blood for the blood god. And with that, the Nurglings are complete. I'm really happy with them. They fit well with the rest of the demon army I'm painting. And, well, while there is a lot of details that are a pain to get to, I think with this scheme they paint up rather nicely. I didn't dot any irises in the eyes, but because they're so small and there are so many of them. But I actually think that helps give them this creepy, demonic look. So, but yeah, that's how I paint Nurglings. And if you liked this video, remember to like it. And if you want to see more videos like it, remember to subscribe. I have a Nurgle playlist that you can check out with more demons and death god stuff. And yeah, till next time, take care and bye bye.